Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a salmon bagel. First, gather your fresh bagels, a block of cream cheese, and some delicious smoked salmon. Don't forget your favorite toppings, such as capers, thinly sliced red onion, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, lightly toast your bagel halves to a perfect golden brown. This adds a wonderful crunch and warmth. Once toasted, take a generous amount of cream cheese and spread it evenly across both sides of your bagel. A thick, creamy layer is key for that classic salmon bagel experience. Now for the star of the show, the salmon. Gently lay several slices of smoked salmon over the cream cheese, ensuring good coverage. Then, sprinkle on some capers and arrange a few thin rings of red onion. For an extra touch, a pinch of fresh dill or a grind of black pepper works wonders. Finally, carefully place the top half of your bagel onto the bottom, creating a delicious sandwich. Your easy salmon bagel is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor the fresh flavors and textures you've just created. It's a perfect treat any time of day, truly delightful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.